Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. One of the most important achievements in the 20th century by mankind is landing on the moon. The moon landing is actually mentioned in the Quran, where the Quran said, اقتربت الساعة وانشق القمر وإن يروا آية يؤردوا ويقولوا سحر مستمر. صدق الله العظيم. What the Quran is that the hour of judgment is at hand because the moon have been split. And when they see a miracle like this, they turn around saying, this is an ancient lie. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Now, what I'm trying to let you understand in terms of the moon landing in the Quranic verse that talks about it is that the word qamar in the Quran means moon. And the word moon appeared for the first time in that verse. Now, if you count from the verse that Allah mentioned the word moon to the end of the Quran, you have 1390 verses. And 1390 in the Islamic calendar, is consistent with the, 1969, which is the Gregorian calendar. The miracle does not stop there. The miracle even goes further by telling us that the word inshaqqa in the verse that I've just quoted means to plow, to dig, to cut, to split. It makes all these senses, and that is exactly what the Apollo model did when it landed on the moon. It brought to Earth 21 kilograms of moon rocks. Prepare for the shock. I say prepare for the shock. The ultimate miracle is that on July 21st, 1969, at exactly 5:54.1, the module aircraft left the moon heading towards the earth. And that is exactly the number of the chapter in the Quran. Quran 54 verse 1 spoke about the moon have been, cracked. So as we speak right now, the moon have been split because we have 21 kilograms of moon rocks on the earth. This is one of the ultimate miracle of the Quran. Now, you ask the skeptic, is this a miracle? He said, it's a coincidence. Well, you ask the scientist, is this a miracle? He said, it's a coincidence. Well, you ask the Orientalist, what is this? The Quran mentioned and the science did that. He said it's a coincidence. The Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in his wisdom, he knew that all these people will be making this kind of coincidence. So Allah said in the Quran, سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسكم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق أولم يكفي بربك أنه على كل شيء شهيد. We shall show them our sign from the deepest region of the horizon and within themselves until it becomes clear unto them that this is the truth. At the end, Allah said, أولم يكفي بربك أنه على كل شيء شهيد. Shouldn't Allah be the ultimate witness to see to it that what I'm just telling you is a fact? Yes. At the time that the Quran was revealed, talking about the moon have been split, many Arabs did not believe in that because they couldn't fathom this great miracle. Today, as we speak, there is a lot of people also who don't believe that the moon, Armstrong, have landed on the moon. Allahu Akbar. This is the Quran. This is the ultimate book that Allah have given Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Quran is dastur. In other words, it encapsulates all fiber of life. This is the future world constitution. This is the perpetual miracle of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is sort of like a compass for those who are looking for guidance. This Quran is also a map for those who need guidance. This Quran is meant for guidance. It's meant for teaching, for religious purposes. It also encapsulates all fiber of life. Allah said, وَمَا كَانَ هَذَا الْقُرْآنَ أَنْ يُفْتَرَى مِنْ دُونِ اللَّهِ وَلَكِنْ تَصْدِيقَ الَّذِي بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ وَتَفْصِيلَ الْكِتَابَ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ مِنْ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. This Quran is not such that any human being will write. On the contrary, it is Allah who gave it the information to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. This is the Quran. هذا بالله التوفيق والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.